Oh, yeah. We're doing something new for a weekend breakfast. Hummus toast. Avocado toast, it's out. We're gonna make our own homemade hummus and then slap the rest of the stuff together. So I got a little bit of an ingredient assortment here. We got a prep work done beforehand. We're gonna get right on into this hummus making. We're gonna start off, we got 2 cans chickpeas, garbanzo beans. We took about a half a cup of the liquid from the can, plus 1 bean there. We're going to put in some garlic cloves. I got about 4 garlic cloves, and they're pretty large. We're gonna drop those in. Boink. We're gonna juice a lemon. Juice is worth the squeeze. We're gonna pour that lemon juice, strain it out, make sure we don't get those seeds in there. We're gonna go 3 tablespoons of tahini. All right. Get to the blender. We're gonna do about 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Something like that. And then about half a teaspoon of cumin. And before we blend, we're gonna give it about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So we're gonna close this contraption up, right? I'm just gonna let it rip. We're gonna drop in a little more olive oil. Round 2. All right, that's enough of that. Let's give it a taste. Spot on. Spot on. Spot on. We're gonna transfer this into a container. Let's get rid of this. Just joking. Set that right there. Bring out the old cookery. So, for hummus toast, second ingredient would be toast. Now, this bread, nice wheat bread, is not gonna fit in my toaster. So we're just gonna throw it under the broiler till we like what we see, and we're gonna get some eggs going. Plug it in first, right? 2 tabs of butter into the pan. Medium-low heat. You know what? Medium heat. So butter's going, we're gonna drop 2 eggs. Right downtown. Oh, party foul. Got some toast here. Boom. The main ingredient to hummus toast. Put some hummus on that. A little drizzle of sriracha. Bring our egg. Hit it with that onion, mixed with a little bit of diced pepper, tomato. And the green. Yo, let's try that toast. No? This is my new weekend meal right here. It's my new healthy. This is that new healthy. Recipe in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Mm.